Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details of the Mikrotik CCR2004-16G-2S just a quick reminder that the link to purchase this powerful router at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This router is designed for users who need robust performance combined with extensive connectivity options. Featuring 16 gigabit Ethernet ports alongside 210G SFP plus cages, it caters perfectly to businesses and advanced home networks that demand high throughput and reliability. Powered by a 64-bit ARM CPU with 4 cores clocked at 1,700 MHz, this device runs RouterOS license level 6, ensuring a comprehensive suite of routing features and security protocols. With 4 GB of RAM and 128 MB of NAND storage, it handles heavy network traffic with ease. Despite its powerful specs, it maintains a relatively modest power consumption of 48 W, and its dimensions, 443 by 210 by 44 mm, make it suitable for standard rack mounting. One of the standout pros of the CCR2004-16G-2S is its combination of high port density and speed options, making it extremely versatile for various network topologies. The ARM architecture contributes to energy efficiency without sacrificing performance. Additionally, the RouterOS license level 6 unlocks advanced routing capabilities, perfect for complex networking environments. On the downside, the device might be overkill for casual users or small offices that do not require so many ports or the 10G SFP plus capabilities. Also, the initial setup and configuration can be daunting for those unfamiliar with Mikrotik's RouterOS, which has a steeper learning curve compared to more consumer-friendly routers. In summary, the Mikrotik CCR2004-16G-2S is a powerful, feature-rich router designed for demanding networking environments that require both gigabit and 10G connectivity with advanced routing features. If you're looking for a reliable and scalable solution, this is definitely worth considering. Remember, the link to get this router at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so don't miss out.